Hello guys, welcome to Nerds Tech Info. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to install Windows Server 2022. So without further ado, let's begin this tutorial. Alright, so first off I'm in the setup here for Windows Server 2022. It's pretty much the same thing as Windows Server 2016, 2019, and maybe even 2012. So you can find similar tutorials like that as well, but we're just going to go with 2022 because that's what we're looking at. So we're just going to start off by choosing our language, which in my case is English United Kingdom. Hit next and install now. Now it's going to tell us which sort of Windows Server distribution we want. So either you get the desktop experience, which is basically like normal Windows, a graphical user interface, and a whole UI with settings and control panel and the start menu, etc. Or we can go with the core version, which is mostly through PowerShell and command line interfaces. There is no GUI at all in this version of Windows Server. For this I'm going to be using desktop experience, but if you want me to use server core anytime, then do let me know in the comment section below or tell me in my Discord server. Link in the description. So we're going to hit next. We need to read all the terms and conditions, which I'm just going to skip and hit I accept. Hit next. Custom, and then we're going to use our allocated drive. And hit next. And now we're going to wait for Microsoft Server to install. As you can see, it does look a little bit different from 2016 or 2019. It's not like the same. Anyway, we will let this install and I'll come back when it's ready. Okay, so now we're just going to wait till for the system to restart. Of course, I'm just going to do that now. And now we will wait for the system to reboot. And now we're going to choose our username for this server. So obviously our username is set default administrator. I'm going to choose a password and click on finish. And I'm guessing now we log into the desktop. Okay, that seems to be the wrong time. I must have changed our time over to the US because it's currently 9:48 in the UK. So that's a bit funny. So now we just gotta log in. Hopefully it should be able to correct our time. Would help if I typed that password incorrectly. Okay, that's it. Now we're in the system. So that's it. Our installation is now complete, and then everything should be all loaded. Well, everything should load very, very soon. Yes. Gonna choose this network. And are we gonna get our time change now? That's a bit of a funny thing there. I'll take a look at that. But yeah, there we go. That is how you install Windows Server 2022. So that's it. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If you would like to request a video, please leave your comments in the comment section below, or you could check out our Discord server, which is the link in the video description. Thank you very much for watching.